Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Discord game overlay not working up properly. So for that you need to open up your Discord and make sure that you have downloaded the Discord application on your Windows or your PC. Then open up Discord by right clicking on it and running it as an administrator, and after that open up your settings in your Discord and make sure that you are on advanced section, and here make sure that you enable the developer mode and hardware acceleration mode right below developer mode. I don't have it, but you must be having it since you are on PC, Windows PC, and on the application. So after that, close up your Discord and restart it again. And after restarting, open up your settings, and in the activity settings, you will be able to see game overlay option. Just click on it and enable in-game overlay option, and after that go to your activity status settings on the activity settings itself, and then enable this option of display current activity as status message. Just enable it, and after that just click on add your game, and after adding your game you will be able to solve this problem. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.